Low income, minimum wage, want to save? It can be done. Strategies, creativity, and nous is what it takes to save money. Use these concepts to create your high income skill set to build your financial future.
Legacy is not what you do, it's what you do for the next generation. Welcome to the Money Power Legacy Show with Dwayne, the finance strategist.
Create a savings goal and use the 70 to 30% rule. First off, set out a goal in mind. For example, say you want to save up for a down payment on a property and say it's 5k, then that will be your savings goal. Now, divide your monthly take-home pay by 70% and that will be used for all your expenses. Then, divide your take-home pay by 30% and that will be used for your savings. It's a good idea to highlight all your expenses so you can determine if that's a want or a need of yours, as that will help bring down your expenses so your money falls within the 70% range and you have enough money to save. The way I see it, it's a good way for you to save because you can always find a percentage. Even if your income changes, you're not going to be lost or confused about where your money should go. It doesn't matter how much you make, you can always find 70% of that with a calculator. Lower your housing costs. Housing is usually people's biggest expense. So if you can lower that and save the surplus amount, that will make a big difference to your savings. Lowering your costs could mean downsizing your living space to cut costs. That could mean for you to move to a different area where the costs are cheaper, or that could be to rent out a room in your house or flat if you've got the means to do so. The idea is to get that housing cost down so you have more money to save. Quick intermission. The power of likes, comments, and subscriptions is what will signify to YouTube that this video is popular and will show up higher on YouTube search engine. So what I need you to do is comment, like, and subscribe. Back to the episode. Make a plan of action. Set up a budget for yourself. I know it can be daunting. However, it's an essential tool for financial control. Budgets give you the information needed in order to make informed decisions about your finances. One of the best ways to save money is to not give up on an idea, but understand what it takes. If you can only afford £5 a week, then that's okay. Make that part of your routine because that will help you save more. Create a small weekly savings. Saving little and often can be a great way to reach your savings goals. Saving just a few pounds a day makes it easier. So even if the challenge doesn't work out, you still save some money, which is always good. You can try the 30 days master your spending challenge, whereby for 30 days, you can only spend money on your mortgage or rent, petrol and groceries, and you track it with a spending journal. You know what? You'll notice the amount you save just by doing that one challenge. Sell things you don't use. This is you getting creative and realizing there is money in your own home that you may not even realize. For example, you can sell empty boxes. If you type in eBay, empty iPhone box, you'll notice that they're selling from anywhere from £7 to £12. Now, if you've got any of the accessories with the box, you can increase the price. Another example would be if you've got any instructional manuals laying about, that can be put up for sale. Those two items you could probably source for free from friends and family, and once that money is made, you can put that towards your savings. Find out if you are legally entitled to financial support. The Entitled To website has a benefits calculator whereby you can input your details and see if you're eligible for financial assistance. Also, there's another website called betteroffcalculator.co.uk whereby if you input your information, you can get an estimate of how much financially you'll be better off if you was to return to the workforce. The turntous.org.uk website is a helpful website whereby you can find out if you're eligible for a charitable grant, which doesn't have to be paid back. The thing about charitable funds is they will help people who have no recourse to public funds and cannot claim welfare benefits. If you're in need of essential furniture and white goods, such as a cooker, fridge, freezer, or bed, then you can use a website called endfurniturepoverty.org, which is a search tool whereby you enter your local authority and they will direct you to that particular council's local welfare assistance schemes. And depending on the council, they may provide this for free or via a loan. However, all of that is subject to if you meet their criteria. They usually get back to you within about a week or so. Now you can add strategy, creativity, and a bit announce to your savings goal. Now I've got a request for you. If you haven't already done so, subscribe and sign up to my email list by clicking the link in the description, and you'll receive your own money translator flashcards. These flashcards you can save on your phone, and whenever you hear or read a financial term that you're not familiar with, you can go into it and get an immediate understanding. So click the link in the description. We get good with money, so we can do good with money. Until next time.